Father's Day ngayon. Happy Father's Day, darling.
Happy Father's Day to me.
Kaming dalawa lang. Wala yung mga children namin. Malungkot siya.
Ang Father's Day, kapag walang mga anak, ay parang hindi Father's Day.
Hindi niya pera.
I don't.
Happy Father's Day. Father's Day ngayon. Happy Father's Day, darling.
Happy Father's Day to me.
Kaming dalawa lang. Wala yung mga children namin. Malungkot siya.
Ang Father's Day, kapag walang mga anak, ay parang hindi Father's Day.
Hindi niya pera.
I don't feel it.
Nagdadrama siya. At maraming salamat sa inyong panunod lahat. Mayroon ka pa kaming music. Ayan. Yung asawa ko nag-music. Tagalog. Naman din. Father's Day. Nakita mo yung gift yan.
Wow! Ang baby. Wow! Nice!
Adidas.
Running short. Wow!
Ibog sila ko, darling.
Wow! Favorite. Wow! At saka dollars! Wow!
Ay, meron si meron dyan card. Si Tart, marami pang laman yan. Oo, ayan, oo.
Wow!
O, check mo muna kung ano yan.
Tayo ito, daddy.
Hindi, open mo yun eh. Open yun. Yan.
Wow!
Para siyang pink, hindi siya pink. Open it.
Tayo ito. Wow! Tayo ito.
Open mo.
Ito kasali.
Pero nabubuksan yan.
Madami naman.
Iganyan mo sa may
Wala na siya alaman.
pero magagamit mo yan.
Puta. Ang dami ko na screwdriver, di ba? Pero thank you, darling.
Parang yung bakit.
Okay. May card pa. Wow.
Meron pa dyan. Meron pa dyan. Tanggalin pa dito. Wala na lang.
Wala pa balahan. Wala pa bala. Wow. Wow. Best dad ever.
Darling, hindi basta ano yan. Hindi yan kitchen. Hindi yan kitchen. Ayun. Sige,
Wow.
hilahin mo. Hilahin mo.
Wow.
Take me sure yan. Take me sure. Kasi kami. May number na yan.
Best
Number.
dad. Thank you, darling. And
Ayan lang.
wow, patak ulit. Wow.
Ay, medium. Sinubukan ko na kung kinakita.
Wow, special t-shirt.
Sige na, huwag ka na
Cotton. Okay.
Ang ganda niyan, darling. Adidas mo yan.
Okay, Thank you, darling. I love you. Kiss me tayo. Okay. Thank you, darling. Let's dance. Let's eat and let's drink.
Let's eat, everyone.
Let's drink and celebrate.
Let's drink.
Wow.
Okay, darling. Open my
My
Father's Day card.
husband.
Ay, magsalamin.
For my wonderful husband on Father's Day.
Darling, there your
Where's
glasses.
my glasses?
There your glasses.
Yeah. Okay, thank you, darling. Okay, now I need this.
Pinatay mo na ilaw eh. Dapat may dagdag ilaw ka. Medyo magpa-sexy ka.
Ow.
Nakaus na yung tummy mo, darling. Okay.
Okay. For my wonderful husband on Father's Day.
Yeah.
Yeah, wow. My loving sweetheart, thank you for all you do for me. Every single day, your loves, support, and thoughtfulness mean everything to me. A more kind, caring, and generous man that I could never be. So let me take this opportunity to say you're amazing husband and a very special man. Happy Father's Day. The love of my life, love always, your wife and kids, Juliet, Janela, Angeline, and Hobiel. The Dachico family. We love you. I love you.
Okay, darling. You're welcome, darling. I love you very much, darling.
Ayun o, pinalo yung anak niya.
Let's eat tayo. Kumakain kami. Ayan, pansit. Nanonood siya. Pang Father's Day. Palabas.
Ay,
Beautiful flowers for Father's Day. Look. Very nice. Ikot. Ayan. Ano to? Binili to ng aking daughter for my husband. Look at this. Beautiful. Nagbuka-bukaan na sila.